Welcome back. We're covering 20 critical reasons your business will need to accept cryptocurrency and soon. Is your business ready? In the prior video, which I will leave a link to the playlist in the description box below, we covered number 20 and number 19. Today we're covering number 18 and number 17. And before we get started, please click the subscribe button, click the alert button so you're notified of future content, and also throw a thumbs up on there. And then also feel free to share this video and the playlist with others who might benefit from the content that's being discussed today. Number 18, Bitcoin is the #1 suggested search when you type in bit on YouTube and in Google. Google and YouTube are the #1 and #2, and Google being #1 and then YouTube being #2. They're the #1 and #2 search engines in the world. And so if you type in bit in the search bar and then just let it pause, typically Bitcoin will come up at the top, #1. And a lot of times they'll cater it a little bit to your searches, to your prior searches. But typically it's going to come up because it's so hot right now in terms of it's the #1 talked about cryptocurrency in this space right now. And even though it may not be the #1 cryptocurrency, long term, it's the one that's everyone's comfortable talking about. It's the one that has the most name brand reputation. And so what's going to happen if that's coming up, then it's happening right now. And is your business ready? This is the challenge that I want you to consider. Again, this channel and these videos are really catered to small businesses so that you guys can grow your businesses effectively. And again, the #1 thing that you want to be able to do is take people's money. If people want to pay you, you want to be able to take it. And again, you shouldn't really dictate in terms of how they want to pay you. You need to set yourself up so you can take their money any way they want to pay you, as long as it's legal, right? And so you can be stubborn. You can say, I'm only taking cash. I've seen a lot of people who are just cash businesses, right? And that's all they want to do. That's going away. I'm telling you, it's on the horizon. That's part of what this video series is about. It's going to be all digital here shortly. And again, you don't want to just do that. You can accept credit card. And if you look at my videos where where I interview and give the small biz shout outs, at the end of each video, I ask everybody, cash, credit, or crypto, right? Pretty soon it's going to be crypto or credit. And then pretty soon after that, it's just going to be what kind of crypto are you accepting? Again, it is coming. You need to be prepared. You need to put your business in position, and you need to start researching what this looks like for you and your business now. Even if you're not ready to pull the trigger, you don't want to start researching after it's already rolled out and you're a year or two in and you're behind the wave and you can't catch that wave. I'm going to jump down to number 17. The S&P Dow Jones is launching a crypto index. This is huge. When you have the Dow Jones and the S&P and all these financial, indexes and stock exchanges starting to list crypto as an index, I'm telling you, it's coming. If you're not reading the writing on the wall, then you can't read. You need to get some big sunglasses or glasses like I have, right? And start looking at things. And I want to encourage you, do your own due diligence. I'll try and put some links in there to help you guys, but it's so simple to search and for you to do your due diligence. Don't believe me. You need to do the research yourself. It is readily available. It's readily available on YouTube. It's readily available on Google. You can do a news search. You can find the information and see all the things that are happening, which is what this video series is about, that should be prompting you to say, you know what, I need to at least start researching this. You're going to look back, if you're watching this video, and you're going to say, I should have listened to Paul. I should have listened to Small Biz Shout Out, and I should have gotten ahead of the game. But if you're smart, you're going to do it now. You're not going to be behind the curve. You're going to at least start researching it and start keeping your ear to the ground so that you can see and hear the things that are coming. Keep your eyes open. Open your eyes. You got to understand what's coming, and it's either going to run you over or you're going to get drowned by the wave, or you're going to ride that wave. You got two choices, and that's it. And so it is coming, but keep an eye on whether you watch, CNBC, CNN Business, whatever business channel Bloomberg, watch all of them. And I'm telling you, in the next 3 to 6 months, it's going to be a part of the hourly updates, hourly news scrolls at the bottom of the screen. It is coming. And are you preparing your business to be part of it and to be part of this next huge turning that is taking place in our world, not just our country, in our world? So again, that's number 18 and 17. I want to encourage you to click the like button, which is the thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and click the alert button. And again, I will link the playlist in the video description below, and feel free to share this video series and this video with anybody you might find that could benefit from it. And then also, I'm going to link that playlist that I just discussed in the prior video. I have a playlist on the channel that deals with cryptocurrency, and it's going to hopefully give you a running start. Feel free to watch those. They're not videos by me. They're videos by a ton of different people that are producing content on YouTube that are educating you in terms of what this whole thing is about, right? And I have a whole list of people. There's some people that are more pro Bitcoin, some that are pro XRP. There's some that are just pretty agnostic about it, and some that are very savvy in the financial space. So it's a very good playlist, and I'm trying to keep that updated. But feel free to click on that, and feel free to share this, and we will talk to you at the next video.